Alright, little guy. 3 months old. Hi. You play with your turtle? You've been playing with your turtle. Yes, you have. Now you just want to see Mom. Hi. Hello. 3-month-old baby. Zachariah Isaac Powitsky. Yes. Hi. And you do laugh, don't you? Not out loud yet, but you do. Yes, you sure do. Hi. Yeah. Yes.
I'm going to be very careful.
Okay. Good girl.
Really careful, my car. This is not.
Oh my goodness. All right. Say hi, sweet boy. Yeah. What's Zephyr doing? What's Zephyr doing?
Eating.
Yes.
I got it on my car. Okay.
Okay. Say bye-bye. Pretty boy.
Hello again.